Hello guys, Sunday 9th. Start of the right, shall we? Over to the west. Remnants of trails. Spraying the shit out of us again. It was a bad day yesterday, 26.3 gigabytes of data. My god. So we've got that one going across that way. Bad. And then this one going across here. Knots on a rope. Yesterday, well, one of the last videos I did last night, or maybe the last, I can't remember, was a Norwegian Air Sweden going across doing exactly the same. So I'll do a playback on that. It's not so long since been by. Straight across, and over that way it's just blurred out. But you're looking up, there's, well, between the houses over there's one. See over to that. There you go. Norwegian Air Sweden. I don't know about this one. It's sprayed up to there. That tells us a lot. Right, I'll go and see what I can get. So for the nasty sting outside, 12:21 time stamp. It's a Ryanair. Oh no, they'd never do that, would they? Right, Ryanair flight Romeo Yankee Romeo 5731. It's also Foxtrot Romeo 5731. Going from Liverpool to Corners. I'm guessing that's how I pronounce it. I'm just being Lancastrian, sorry. Could be Coonus, I don't know. I apologise for that. To the locals. Now, it's Boeing 737-8 Alpha Sierra. Registration is Echo India Delta Lima Yankee. It was only at 30, well, effectively 30,000 feet. I've stopped it directly to the south of us. 29,950. So we're spraying up to that altitude. It's a low one, very low one. And his ICAO code for confirmation of him is 4 Charlie Alpha 304. That's it. Very dirty snot rocket, low spreader. Right across. Well, I've just taken it back 2 minutes, and this is the length of the spread, I'd say, straight across there. So it's spraying from upward of 26846 to 29950. Very low dirty spray, and dirty trick. Now with that one, you can see where it started dragging over this way. You can see exactly where it switched off at. In that patch of chem cloud he switched off. No excuse for it, and that's purposeful, deliberate spraying. Switch the bloody poisons off in one go. Proves you don't need to do it. And proves it's no accident. Been an argument, the knots on the rope back there, shown on the first video, proves it's a chem, to my mind. And you can see how solid it looks. Well, it's now about 1:26, something like that. That's the Ryanair trail, still there, obvious. God knows what was on it. I'm tempted to press for the NOTOC document to see what the hell they sprayed. There's one below it as well. God damn it. And that's, I think we got westerly, so it's coming across this way, obviously. But yeah, I don't know what the second one is. I don't know what the short one is below it, but the top one's certainly that Ryanair flight from earlier. Now we've got this one coming in. Gotta check him out over there. I actually came out for a plane going that direction, but that one has just sprayed that and left it. See if we can. There's that. So it's chemmed over that way. Though bloody chemming actually, but you just can't see in the distance, yeah. Too much mess. The sky's messy. Some up there as well actually. There's not many planes, yeah. Over that way there's tons of planes, but not to see over that way, is there? Anyway, we'll get this little shit house that's just come in. I'll catch him while I can still find it. Well, this is a bit of a rare one. 32780 is that there. I'm going to have to actually play this one back to find out what altitude he was up here. Okay, and I've had these before. Sybajet. Sybajet. Never heard of him. From San Marino. Is a Pilatus, or Pilatus, whichever way. Papa Charlie -12. BCP, Bravo Charlie Papa is his operator code. 32780 for that at the moment. Registration Tango 7 Victor India Tango Alpha. So I'm a bit numb today. Tango 7 Victor India Tango Alpha, which is 5003 Foxtrot 5. His flight is Bravo Charlie Papa 079. I'll see what flight radar 24 has to say for that one. Looks like he's going straight through at that altitude. 32780 there. And over this way, as if the footage turned out okay, of course, just contrail. Well, I've done a playback, stopped it, timestamp 1350, which is just about that angle for us. Still, it's not had much difference to be honest, the altitude. Right, Silver Aviation it's down as on here. Flight Bravo Charlie Papa 079. It's going from Ostersund to Oxford. It's Pilatus or Pilatus, whatever, I don't know, I've never heard it said. Papa Charlie -24, registration Tango 7 Victor India Tango Alpha. I know I've already read it all out, but it's just for confirmation really. 33,000 exactly. And the ICAO confirmed. 5003 Foxtrot 5. So yep, that's the one. This is the one I went out for actually, this KLM. But there's nothing whatsoever, which is good.